So, Vice Cosmetics revamped their makeup brushes. So, Vice Cosmetics has their own concealer brush. So, itatap lang natin siya. Hindi natin siya gagamitan ng product. Kasi itong concealer brush na is so perfect. Tsaka yung bristles niya ay panalo. So, we are going to use the contour blush. So, magko-contour tayo on the sides of our face. Mix natin. So, yung contour brush niya is same as my contour brush nung first, yung color pink pa yung packaging nila. Hindi nila binago, yung kulay lang binago. I like the bristles in it. Okay. Ito ay blush brush, so binago lang nila yung brush kasi very thin yung sa old formula. Ito ay medyo binago lang ng konti. Same as procedures with this, yung same feels talaga with this one sa blush brush nila. Pinalitan lang, the bristles are so good and easy to use. And lastly, the powder blush. Powder blush, ayoko yung powder blush nila na yung powder blush nila na sobrang taba. Pero ito, pinapaya pa nila ng konti at saka easy to apply siya on my face. Overall, these brushes from Vice Cosmetics, they improve a lot. Tsaka pinatangkad lang ng konti. Parang maliit lang siya nung first series. I have their first ever brushes nila. Ito, tinamang size nila with their brushes. So, you better try the Vice Cosmetics new and improved brushes.